Okay, hey guys, so I'm gonna try to back up. I didn't really know how to start this, but it's been a while since I have put up a video, and I just decided to do kind of a bit of a warmer tour. The reason I wanted to show you some of the warmers is because I am having a Scentsy party. If you don't have a consultant or you're interested in the new catalog that just came out, I'm going to show you some of the warmers that I got from my order last month before August catalog had come out. Some of the warmers are really pretty. In the past, you guys have, or if you have been with me for a little bit, you know that I have not always loved Scentsy warmers. But honestly, I have to say, well, first of all, I've always loved like their beauty, and I just think they're some of the prettiest warmers ever. And I was like, you know what, let me give them another try, because I am finding that with my warmers. So this third one I added, it's only a 20 watt, and I honestly think it's finished like the trifecta of the living room, because I have two warmers behind me and this one up on the fireplace, and it makes all the difference in the world, and it's only a 20 watt. So I was kind of impressed. Not only that, but it is really, really pretty. So this is the Charred Warmer, and so as you can see, I have it on one of the cord hider thingies, whatever it's called. I don't even know. But this warmer is so freaking pretty. Let me see if I can get that locked in a little bit better. But when I do have it plugged in, the cord is completely hidden. I know you can kind of see it on the side there. But when it's plugged in, it's completely hidden. And also, when you're kind of sitting down on the couch or whatever, like you're down here, you don't see it like at all. So I really like the cord hiders. They don't have this particular one anymore. The one I have is called Tracks. And if you can see, it just kind of has some, like, it almost looks like a little railroad, but that's not really what it is. But anyways, they have like a birch one that looks like a little piece of wood. They have kind of this rustic stainless one that's kind of cool. So let me light this one up so you can see it. I do plan on getting some of the colored bulbs for this guy, because I think it would be really cool in different colors. And I'll show you one that I have in the kitchen that I freaking love. So this one is called Charred. And let me just kind of move you around. This one is so freaking pretty. So yeah, let me show it to you lit up. Okay, so this is what it looks like lit up. Now, I am gonna get a darker bulb for this one, because I think like when it's lit up, it's kind of hard to tell, but when it's lit up, when it's a little bit darker, you can kind of see the color variances that you could see when it was off. But I think a darker bulb would be super pretty in here, but it's also really pretty lit up. You really can't see the beauty of this one on camera. I can see it when I'm looking at it with my blind eye, but this one, again, like I think just the trifecta of this and the other two regular warmers that I have. And honestly, you guys know, like in the past I've said, I don't use my Scentsy warmers anymore, but I decided to give it another try, and I'm glad I did, because I honestly feel like this third one in the living room has made a huge difference. So let me go ahead and show you the other ones. Okay, so excuse the renovations going on here. We just had new counters put in, and we're waiting on our tile to be installed, but we really don't know when that's gonna happen. I feel like I'm covering the speaker. Oh gosh, I don't know. Anyways, okay, this warmer here is called In the Clouds. This one is super pretty. This one actually puts off quite a bit of scent. I was actually surprised, because my old Scentsy warmers that I had from before, I felt like they weren't putting out enough scent. But I think in combination with my other warmers, like I love a pretty warmer. And honestly, like now that we've kind of been doing renovations, I'm tired of like these $10 or $15 warmers being on my counters. Like at least let's put something pretty and I can hide my other ones. So this one, as you can see, it has this pretty white, just like, it looks cloudy. It looks like the wispiness of a cloud. Let me show you what it looks like on. Let me just move you for just a second. I do have a blue bulb in here, and I'm gonna get some other bulbs. I think red or green would be really fun for Halloween, but at nighttime, this looks so pretty. It's like 5:42 a.m., so we're getting up kind of early. But this one has worked really well as a third warmer in my kitchen. As you guys know, I was kind of struggling for a little bit with scent throw in here. So, well, not struggling, but I was trying to find the correct placement of warmers. And I think 3 warmers does it for me in here. But this one I feel like has just added, like I took one out. I took one of my regular, let's see, was that a candle warmers or a mainstays? I don't remember. But I replaced it with this and it hasn't affected scent throw at all. So yeah, that's that. So there we go. It did come with a white bulb. Like I said, I did put the blue bulb in here, but I think a purple one would be pretty. I'm just so excited about all the possibilities. Let me see if I can turn the light down a little bit. Here we go. Okay, it's a little bit harder to see, but at nighttime, this looks so freaking, oh God, sorry. This looks so pretty. Oh, there we go. Hey, that looks crazy like that. Okay, let me try to keep those envelopes out of there with our address on them. But again, it's hard to see, but this just gives like a really pretty, let me try, oh. You can tell I'm, okay, so I don't know, I'm messing with the lighting now. But this one at night, again, it's hard to get on camera, but at nighttime, this one is just so pretty with that blue shining through. That's hard to see again. Sorry, guys. It just, it's not coming out the way that I see it in my eyes. Let me see. Let me try to back up. That's not really helping either. Anyways, okay, so you get an idea. Just, it's kind of this blue color. Hey, great idea. Let's just try it in complete darkness. I'm standing in the dark in my kitchen, but yeah, it just gives off this really pretty blue glow, and I love it. If you don't have In the Clouds, this is one that I would recommend to anyone. That one and the Charred, I think, are honestly like great for anyone. I think they would be pretty in any house. Lots of colored bulbs, etc. I think they have like red, yellow. Do they have a yellow? Or is it orange? They have a green, they have a purple, they have a blue. You can just do plain white, but I love the blue at nighttime especially. So there's that. Okay, so really quick, I want to show you the Trax Warmer, again, the cord hider. So underneath this base here so this is a pink zebra warmer that Shantae on Instagram had sent me, which is freaking super cute. If you can see the lid there, how cute is that? So the warmer stand, well, it's not a warmer stand, it's a cord hider. If I can remember what the exact name is, I'll put it across the screen. But I wanted to put something in here because I was tired of the cord. So excuse the towel, I wiped lipstick on there yesterday. I need to put that in the wash. Anyways, so I wanted to show you another use for the cord hider. I think the birch one is super cute, the wood one. I think I'm gonna get that one. But anyways, I am having a Scentsy party. If you have not purchased anything or if you're interested in any Scentsy warmers, I will put the link to my party. Again, if you're not interested in Scentsy, then no worries. But if you are into Scentsy and you're needing something, please consider ordering from my party. That'd be really cool. I'd super appreciate it. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. I do have some hauls coming up that I'm like super behind on. But I'll kind of discuss that maybe in a different video. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Okay, thanks guys. Bye.